谢谢演员们的精彩表演。接下来为大家带来的是《韩秦夜访》。荆轲是名扬天下的剑客，为救秦国将军来到燕国，邂逅宫中丽人夏韵。燕国太子御师美人计遣夏韵夜访荆轲，劝说荆轲刺杀秦王。不料夏韵反被荆轲的大义感动，生出一场旷世的情缘。二人互吐心曲，以酒定情。
Next, we have the assassin, Midnight Visit. Jin Ke is a renowned swordsman who comes to Yang province to save General Qin. He encounters the beautiful palace maid, Ming Xia. The crown prince of Yang seeks to use her to manipulate Jin into assassinating the king. However, Xia is moved by Jin's sense of justice, leading to an extraordinary love story. They express their feelings to each other over candlelight and wine.
由赵素芬扮演荆轲，詹晓玲扮演夏韵。赵素芬扮相英俊，身段优美，一招一式都彰显荆轲的侠义风采。詹晓玲音色圆润，柔美动听，有情有义的夏韵惹人怜爱，请欣赏。
Stephanie Zhao plays Jin Ke and Zhang Xiaoling plays Ming Xia. Stephanie showcases heroic charm through her graceful movements, and Zhang Xiaoling possesses a rich and melodious voice, embodying the virtuous